A DEMAT account, short for dematerialized account, is an account that allows investors to hold their securities and financial instruments in electronic or digital form instead of physical form. In other words, it is an online account that holds all the shares and securities that you have purchased, just like a bank account holds your money. The DEMAT account is linked to the investor's bank account and is managed by a depository participant, DP. The DP is responsible for maintaining and updating the investor's DEMAT account, including recording all the buy and sell transactions of shares and other securities. A DEMAT account eliminates the need for investors to hold physical share certificates, which can be easily lost or stolen. It also makes it easier to transfer and trade shares and other securities. Investors can access their DEMAT account online and monitor their investments in real time and buy or sell securities with just a few clicks. In summary, a DEMAT account is a safe, convenient, and paperless way to hold and trade securities in India.